Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to fix a very common problem of Windows 10 or Windows 11. So we are going to fix mouse while scrolling problem. So for that, click on the search icon and type here control, and you will find the best mesh control panel. And once you click on that, your window will appear like this. If you do not see a window like this, then what you can do is you can click on this view by, and either click on a small icon or large icon. So I have selected large icon, and then we are looking for mouse. And once you click on that, you will have tabs like mouse, buttons, pointers option, and wheel. So from the button first, so if this pointer is nearby slow, please drag it to the first, and once this is done, click on this wheel option, and here also check the value. So here in my computer, battery scoring and heritable scoring all are 3, and that is a system recommended. So check in your case and see what exactly that value is, and if it's already 3, then I would recommend it to go for 5 to 7. So here you will type 5, and here type 4, and see how exactly the performance of your scholar. So once you are satisfied, just click on apply, then okay. So I will just go back to 3 while is working absolutely fine for me. So I will keep it 3 here, and I will just click on apply and okay. And then try just restart the computer and see if your mouse oil scrolling problem has been fixed or not. So I hope this short video will really help for you. If it is, then don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button. If you have any type of question, then comment on the comment section. I will reply you. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.